It's really dark down here, Leon. Don't worry, Mia. This key will light the way. Bark! Look what Sparky found! What's in there? Help me open it. Wow! What's that light? Wow! Incredible! Together! Ready? Whoa! Incredible! Wow! Incredible! Look at it! We did it! We did! Huh. What's this? Whoa! What is that? Wow! Look at them! They're flying! Hello, little soldiers! Welcome! Wow! Look at this! It's so beautiful! I got it! Oh no! So many toys! Must close it. Harder. Done! Now we play with you, Bear. Keep pushing. It's almost closed. Watch out! Whoa! Wow, look at them! That's so cool! Arf! Arf! Whoa! What's happening? Ah! Whoa! Ouch! What's happening? It's too much! Oh, I can't stand! Oh, the toys! Help! Gotta hold on to this. Okay, Leon, we need this heavy for the chest. Hup! Ugh! It's so heavy! Help! Don't worry, I gotcha! Come on, quick! What's happening? To the basement now! Look out! It's a giant train! How are we supposed to get out now? Look out, Mia! The toys stopped. Why is the chest glowing? It's the key. What do we do? Whoa! Check out this power! What is that thing? No! Stay back! No! Please, no! Help, someone, please, help me! Let me go! No, Leon, don't go! I have to, Mia! Hold on! I can't let you go. It's too dangerous. Please! Help! No! Look out! Grab the key! No! The key is slipping! Hold on! Sparky! No!